Here's how to insert a chart from Google Sheets into Google Slides. Go to Insert, hover over Chart, and select From Sheets. A window will open showing all your Google Sheets files. Select the one that contains your chart and click Select. In the next window, choose the chart you want to import and make sure Link to Spreadsheet is checked. This is important. If you uncheck it, you won't be able to update the chart later. Click Import and the chart will appear on your slide. Resize it by dragging the corner handles and reposition it by clicking and dragging. To edit the chart, click the drop-down arrow at the top right of the chart and select Open Source. This opens the linked Google Sheet where you can make changes to the data or formatting. When you're done, go back to your presentation and click the Update button that appears on the chart to apply your changes. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.